Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is an altcoin chart request video, and in this video we are going to analyze YFI, that is Yearn Finance, BPRO, and CHS, that is Chiliz. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. We look at both USDT and BTC token pairs of these tokens. Let us begin today's video. So first of all, guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're joining me for the first time. I have received one wonderful message today from one of you on the Telegram, and it has literally made me speechless. I'm so happy. I'm feeling so good that I am able to make difference in somebody's life, even if it's in a small way, and able to make this difference without meeting the person, only through what I do best, is something I feel very thankful about. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to make a difference in your life. I received this message from someone on Telegram. I would not name him. Hello, mentor, from the bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot for everything. I've crossed 1.5 million plus income because of you within 11 months. This is amazing. This guy has crossed 1.5 million plus, so I'm sure he must be near about 2 millions in my opinion. I don't know, but I am really happy that I could make a difference in someone's life. I'm always grateful to you. I bought my first VRA at 0.13 INR. So currently VRA, I guess, is trading at around 4.5 or 5 INR. So that is almost 40 or 50x in VRA, and many projects you shared. I learned everything in crypto because of you and still learning. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and prosperity, and whatever you want. So thank you so much. Such feedbacks are really making me happy because I provide this content for free. I do not charge anything. My only intention is to help you guys in whatever best way I can. So once again, thank you very much. And if you are making gains through my calls, please let me know so that I feel motivated, and I would love to receive feedback from you guys. Also, one very important thing, I was just checking my previous videos and I realized that the altcoin chart request that we did on 5th of August 2021 of Fetch, Stellar, and SRM, all three have hit all the targets mentioned in the video. I have provided the video link in the description. You can check that video. We have hit all targets. So let us begin today's video. The first chart we are looking at is YFI, and this is YFI USDT chart. This is a daily chart. For me, the important price point for YFI, which it needs to flip into support, is $33,000. As long as we are about $33,000, I see YFI going higher. And ultimately, in this next leg up, I can see it at least hitting to $70,731. Okay, this has been a very long accumulation zone for YFI. Whenever anybody has bought YFI between 33 to 20 to 600, you can see this has been a long accumulation zone, and I think this is where if you buy YFI, then you are likely to make good gains whenever altcoins pump. So again, right now, if you want to enter YFI, I think anything about 33,000 is a good buy zone in my opinion. You can see we are still bearish on the daily, but we are above our 21 EMA. What we need is this 21 EMA to cross this 200 EMA. Once we cross this, I can see YFI going parabolic. So buying currently would be a good option if you can hold it for next 2-3 months. I'm sure this will provide you good returns. For someone who's already in YFI, I think we should hold it because currently it's in accumulation. You can see there is a very good volume coming in here. So this is looking good in my opinion. If you look on the YFI BTC chart, again, it's in a accumulation zone. You can see it has hit our support zone again of YFI BTC. In fact, this is one of the best times in my opinion to buy YFI You can see wherever it has hit our green support line, which is at around 0.05 BTC, it has always bounced back hard. See, whenever somebody has bought YFI in these zones, has always made gains of around 50 to 100% in their Bitcoin pair. So currently, if you are buying YFI, I think it is a very good opportunity to accumulate. Traditionally, this has been a very good zone to buy YFI. In the next leg up against Bitcoin pair, I see YFI going and hitting at least 1.17 BTC, if not more. So which is almost 100% from here. So even in the Bitcoin pair, it is in a good accumulation zone. And if you want, you can buy this right now. Or else, if you want to be more safe, then wait for it to flip 0.75 BTC into support. Because this, in my opinion, is a pivot point. Unless and until we don't flip this zone into support, I don't see YFI going for parabolic move against Bitcoin pair. So if you're somebody who just wants to trade, you can wait for it to flip this 0.75 into support and then buy. And if you believe in the project, if you like the project, this is one of the best times to accumulate YFI. The next chart we are looking at is CHS, that is Chiliz. Again, on the daily, Chiliz is currently holding well, and 0.31, 31 cents is important price in my opinion. As long as we are holding it as support, I see Chile ultimately hitting its previous all-time high, at least at 0.76. So currently it's above 0.31, but this area is currently getting resisted or it's getting accumulated over here. It's above the bull support band. So in that way, CHS is bullish on the daily. If at all we see some dump in the market, then this has been traditionally a good zone to accumulate anywhere between 0.19 to 0.31. Because ultimately, when we again start with the altcoin season, I see Chiliz hitting at least to 0.76, if not more. Of course, it can go way higher, but that is the list what it can go. So this is a good accumulation zone in my opinion. If you look at CHS BTC, very similar. It is sitting on a very, in fact, it has gone down below, no, it's exactly sitting on the previous support right now. For me, in the Chiliz BTC pair, the support is at around 494 Satoshis. And it's currently at 593 Satoshis, is getting bounced from here. You can see it was previously getting bounced from here. On the Bitcoin pair, we have got a bearish cross where 21 EMA has crossed 200 EMA. And because of that, CHS against Bitcoin might face some more downtrend. But eventually, whenever in such scenarios, if you like the project, and I think this is the best times to accumulate. If you want to trade CHS in the Bitcoin pair, then I would suggest you to wait for it to flip 687 zones into support. Because I think this is a previous important support. And for CHS to go impulsive against the Bitcoin pair, it needs to flip 687 into support. Once it flips into support, I can see it going as high as 1312, which is almost 2x from the buy zone. So if you want to trade against the Bitcoin pair, wait for it to flip this zone into support. If you want to accumulate, you like the project for long-term basis, then yes, this is one of the good times to accumulate in my opinion. The third chart for today is BPRO. And again, guys, this is an altcoin chart request video. Whatever I am analyzing today is because of the request I've received on Twitter and Telegram. You can share your request on Twitter and Telegram if you want me to analyze any chart. Just because I analyze chart does not mean I'm personally invested in it. And it also doesn't mean that I like the project. I'm purely doing it on TA basis and on request, and whatever I see, I will tell you. So if you look on the BPRO chart, currently BPRO is again on the daily looking good, is looking bullish. It is well above our bull support band. 0.009. This is an important price point for BPRO in my opinion. As long as we are above it, I can see it going and hitting to at least 0.029. So which will be a massive gains in my opinion. If at all we break 0.09, then traditionally 0.09 to 0.004 has been a good accumulation zone. We can see over here very clearly. So if you're somebody who's wanting to just trade, I think this is a good time to buy. Once it starts pumping, when we start getting all season pump, then I can see it going and hitting at least to 0.029. Of course, it can go way higher, but this is what I see in the next leg up. If we go on looking at the Bipro BTC chart, then again, it is currently in the accumulation zone, getting resisted by, for me, what is a very important price point. You can see it was a previous support got broken. So in the Bitcoin pair, it's at around 2005 Satoshis. So 2000 to 2005 Satoshis is an important price point. It is currently above it, but it is getting resisted by it. So if you are looking to trade it in the Bitcoin pair, let it create support above here. Once it creates support above here, you can definitely enter in my opinion. Again, this is not a financial advice, but I can see it hitting at least 4941 in its next leg up, which would be almost 2x gains in the Bitcoin pair. But if you like the project, then again, on the daily, even in the Bitcoin pair, Bipro is bullish, and it would not be a bad time to accumulate some Bipro over here. So this was my quick analysis on YFI, CHS and Bipro. I hope it was helpful to you guys. Please comment down below if you like my videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.